Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a good old-fashioned haul. I actually haven't done a haul video on this channel for a while, so I bought some exciting products lately that I wanted to share with you, and I'm just gonna jump right in. So the very first product I bought was from MAC. So if you are Canadian, I'm not sure in the US, they do have free shipping right now, which was definitely a bonus. I ordered it on Saturday and it came today. So very quick shipping through FedEx. So what I actually bought was they had an amazing sale on their Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. I haven't tried one of these. I don't even know if I've ever actually tried a MAC foundation. I feel like my MAC exposure has been limited to like lipsticks or a few like eyeshadows, but I haven't tried the foundation. But for $15, that's like cheaper than some of the drugstore foundations, and free shipping. I got some money back too on Rakuten, so I'm excited to try this. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but I got N35 and I do plan on doing a video on this, so stay tuned for that. So it's just here, I think it might be a little bit off, but that's okay. So stay tuned for a video. They also did give me a sample as well. So I got this sample of the Studio Fix Fluid SPF Foundation. Never tried this one, but I always like these little samples, especially like, I'm just a sample person. Like, I like to try things before I buy them. So yeah, that was what I got at MAC. Not a huge purchase, but excited to try those. So the next thing is I went to my local Winners. So for those that are in the US, this is like TJ Maxx. And I got some things and really fun things that I got. So the very first thing I got was this cute little headband. So I really like headbands. I used to wear them all the time when like Gossip Girl was really big. So I got this like kind of mauvey one with like pearls. I haven't worn it yet. It was $7.99. But I think it's super cute. Like, I feel right, like girly and cute wearing it. So really excited about this. The next thing I got, and I was super excited about this, is the Danielle facial hair trimmer. So this is like the flawless finish or touch. I can't remember what they're called. I maybe talked about this before on my channel, but this is my go-to. Like, I use this for any hair on my face, like my upper lip. I use this, like right here, any like hair where I might have. It really does a great job of removing that hair on your upper lip, and it doesn't leave a stubble either. So this one was only $10 opposed to the Flawless Touch one, which is like $30, and this is exactly the same. It's pink, so I like it better than kind of like the white one I had, and it works really well, and it's not painful or anything. Like, I can't recommend these enough. And like I said, it was only $10, so that was definitely a good deal. So the next thing I bought, and I was really excited about this, so this is $12.99, and I got a 2-pack of satin pillowcases. So I got a marble print. I'm not sure like how great these are. I know like some of the other ones are really expensive, but it says that it's going to help if you have curly hair, and it is going to help you avoid any wrinkles. So 2 strikes, that's what I want. So I'm really excited to try these. I haven't opened them up yet, but I think the marble print will be really cute too, and match my room quite nicely. So I'm really excited about that, and I like how they gave 2. And for $12.99, like, definitely very good deal. So I was really excited about that. So I also made, this was something that I hummed and hawed about. So I did make a Sephora order as well. And in this Sephora order, I bought a product that I've really been wanting for a really long time. So I'll like make you wait in suspense. In terms of the sample, I got a deluxe sample here. So I got the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I'm really excited to try this. I know my friend Shannon really liked it, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried a cleansing balm in a while. I've been kind of like sticking on the oils, so I think this will be really good for traveling too. And I really like Glow Recipe products, so I'll be intrigued to try this. So in terms of samples, I actually didn't get any of the ones I selected, but that seems to be happening actually quite a bit lately. But I get this Dior Capture Total Super Potent Serum. I don't know what that's like. It says it's anti-aging. Maybe I'll give it to my mother to try. I just have so many products. I also got this like little sample size beauty blender, and it's super cute. I find it really weird though because this has like water in it, so I just find it weird that they provided water. But this is like the tiniest beauty blender. It's actually like really super cute. So on to the actual, I guess, money spenders of this haul. I actually got a foundation that I really like that I haven't worn for a while. So I got the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. So I get the color in Tres Lychee, so I'm excited about this. I think it'll be better. Like, I still have like my summer color on, but as winter starts to come around, of course my skin goes lighter, so I really like this foundation. I find it really gives me that airbrushed, flawless finish look. So yeah, I highly recommend this, and it was only on sale for $32, so how could I say no? So the very next thing is something that I have wanted a really long time, and if you watch my Sephora wish list, I'll link it up top here, you would know that it was mentioned here. So what I actually splurged on was the Kayali Collection '01 miniature set. So for those that don't know, Kayali is a set from Huda Beauty. So it's a brand that she created with her sister, and it's actually perfumes. So when these came out, I was really intrigued, and I got a sample from Sephora. I think it was like last year, maybe a year and a half. And I was so upset. Like, I needed these. I think I actually like bought something in order to get the samples. So I really wanted it. I loved them once I got them. And this set I actually saw when I was in London. So at Harrods, I saw this set and I was like, you know what, I should get it. And then I was like, you know what, I better not. I'm flying. I don't know. Like, I don't need it, you know, blah, blah, blah. And then ever since then, like, I regretted it. I was so upset. You can't buy it on the Huda Beauty website just because, like, they don't sell any other perfumes on the Canadian site. So I was really upset. And then all of a sudden I saw this set on the Sephora site and I was like, oh my goodness, I need this. Like, these are the best scents. Like, they're just so like seductive and sexy, but also like really fresh smelling as well. So I'm just gonna open this up. And I really like the packaging. Like, I think this is very sleek and classic, very classic. So these are what you get. So you actually get 4 of the perfumes. You do get 10 mils. So you might think, you know, that's not a lot. But I guess I don't wear perfume all the time. So I think this is actually going to balance out. So the Elixir 11 is kind of like a stronger scent. It's not one of my favorites, but I'll wear it. Like, it's not something I wouldn't wear, but I'm not like crazy about it. It's probably the strongest out of all of them. The next one is Citrus, and I absolutely love this one because it reminds me of, like, have you ever went to a hotel and smelled like that really nice, like, citrusy smell? That's exactly what it reminds me of. Like, it's really fresh and very, like, clean, like, very clean cut smelling. I really like that one. Then it also came with vanilla, which is like, it smells like pure vanilla. It's just so nice. Like, if I'm going on a date or something, like, I will wear the vanilla one because I just know it smells so good. And I just love this one. Like, I actually wanted the full size, but I will take this little one. The next one is Musk, and that's like a really nice kind of sexy musky smell. I don't even know if that's a word, but I really like this one too. So this set kind of it's pricey. I think it was like $120, but I like a gift card and I redeemed some of my Beauty Insider points, so I didn't feel as bad, but it definitely was a splurge purchase. And I just love like the detail of the bottles. Like, they're very classic with like this gold printing and then kind of this diamond top. So I really like I love the smell of these. I love the packaging. And I was just so, so happy when I saw that Sephora finally got these products in. So that was everything. It wasn't a really long haul, but just some cool kind of products that I wanted to share with you. Let me know. Oh, actually, I forgot one item. So another really fun item I got, this was like the best Saturday. Like I was just spending dollars, which is not typical of me. Kind of a frugal person, but the next thing I got was these. So Tony Sedalis talked about these in her video, and I have been wanting the UGG slippers so bad, but they're really expensive. And then Miss Lola had some as well. They were about like $35, and they were in American, so around $50 Canadian, which is like which is a lot of money to spend on slippers, I'm not gonna lie. So then Tony in her video mentioned that Walmart had dupes. So here they are. These are dupes to the UGG slippers. They were $19, and there's a strap here. They're just really cute and fuzzy. I get a size 5'6", and my size is generally like a 6 to 6.5. So pretty well on size, but definitely recommend checking these out. They're super comfy. And if you can find these at Walmart, like definitely buy them because it's so much cheaper than buying the UGG ones. Like, who has $150 to spend on slippers? I don't. And I don't want to spend that much. So those were the products that I got for this haul. Let me know what product was your favorite. And if you're not subscribing, don't forget to hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. I've been filming a lot lately. Fingers crossed my laptop doesn't break. And also share this video with your friend if you think they'd like it. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.